Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Importance of Ramadan. What makes Ramadan very special? Ramadan is the most precious month in the Islamic calendar, and it is obligatory for the Muslim to fast in the month of Ramadan. Here are some interesting facts that shows the importance of Ramadan in Islam. Holy Quran was first revealed in the month of Ramadan. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is the further pillar of Islam among the five. Fasting helps to attain taqwa, performing of action which please Allah and abstaining from those actions that displease Him. Ramadan is known to be the month of Quran. It is highly recommended in the Ramadan to read and study the Holy Quran and to share with others. The night of decree or the night of power is in this month, which is better than 1,000 months. In this holy month, the gates of paradise are opened, gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained up. Umrah, shorter pilgrimage in Ramadan, is equivalent to Hajj. Muslim observes itikaf in the Ramadan, especially in the last 10 days of this holy month. It is very rewarding act in Ramadan to offer iftar, sunset meal to break fast to those who are fasting. It is highly recommended to give zakat 2.5% of wealth and sadaqah in the Ramadan. It is said in an authentic hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that fasting in the Ramadan sincerely out of faith and in the hope of reward, we will be forgiven all our precious sins, provided the major sins are not committed.